Alright, we're back.
It's the next episode and we found the trail.
Carefully sit. Let's keep moving. I hate the wilderness. Which is why I usually stay inside. But for hiking... Okay, which way are we going? Let's go that way to the tree.
To the left.
Yeah. It's not blocked shaded.
It's gonna be a little tough to get to it.
Okay, give me the camera and I'll record you. Alright, I got the camera. I sound handsome. Okay, let's go.
And I have the walking stick.
Yeah. Aren't Indians awesome?
Okay, I'm at the ladder.
You see anything?
I haven't climbed it yet. Does that camera make my voice sound gay?
Slightly. Careful up there.
I'm not seeing any signs of civilization.
Let's just go the original way that we were planning on going.
Hold up. This ladder's shaking a little.
You should come back down.
I don't know how much higher I should go on this.
Don't go much higher.
I'm going to try to get this one last step. I think that's going to be a little too much. Okay. I see no civilization from up here.
Alright, come back down then.
Coming back down. But I'm serious. Does that camera make my voice sound gay?
Slightly. Sorry about this, folks. He's a little, about his voice. Here he comes. Meet you halfway.
Okay. So I'm only going to push with one hand to keep this other hand to maintain balance on getting through these. Okay.
Here, let's switch. Alright, let's just go the original way. We were going to go that way.
Okay.
Hope for the best. You want to watch out for snakes on these trails.
Shouldn't be too hard to see if we come across an orange one.
Orange is such a good color. It's not like that.
Okay, so on these trails, it kind of looks like four-wheelers.
Footprints.
Yeah.
Maybe civilization or maybe something else.
No, they kind of look like bear prints. Maybe a little bit, kind of like wolf. Because you got all the padding and stuff.
Let's rest here for a second and catch us tomorrow. Or
Okay.
next week. Catch us next week.
When we follow this trail.
Goodbye. You comment too much.